Welcome Deep Silgong aboard. Your learning journey starts now. Ever wondered if the machines we build might one day have a mind of their own? Forget sci-fi for a second. We're talking about a real global race to understand and maybe even create artificial consciousness. And guess what? We've put together a map of the top players in this high-stakes game. So who are the heavy hitters in this field? It's not just one type of institution. Think of it like a six-lane highway. First, you have the pure breeders, places like CIMC, whose entire mission is machine consciousness. Then the old guard, the traditional consciousness science centers at universities like Sussex and NYU, bringing deep theoretical chops. Next, the tech giants, DeepMind, Anthropic, OpenAI, they don't explicitly say consciousness, but their work on AGI, safety, and interpretability is basically the dark line of this research. Don't forget the embodied intelligence folks working on robots and brain-computer interfaces. And crucially, the ethics and governance groups asking the hard questions about AI welfare and societal impact. Finally, cross-disciplinary platforms like WAC that try to connect all these dots. These aren't just names on a list, they represent different angles attacking the same fundamental question. Can we build something conscious? Okay, how did we figure out this top 100 list? We didn't just pick names off a hat. We used a method called Dolby Mesh 4-point. Sounds fancy, right? Basically, it's about connecting the dots using both bright lines and dark lines. Bright lines are easy, institutions openly stating their focus on consciousness, hosting relevant conferences, publishing papers on the topic. Dark lines are trickier, they're the hidden strengths. Think about companies like DeepMind or Anthropic. They might not call themselves consciousness labs, but they possess critical capabilities like cutting-edge AGI models, mechanical interpretability, and alignment research, skills absolutely essential for tackling artificial consciousness. We then weighted 5 key dimensions: direct consciousness research, scientific depth, AGI/AI safety prowess, embodied tech capabilities, and global influence. The result? A ranked list based on hard evidence, not just reputation. Now, why is this top 100 list so important, especially for the upcoming Fourth World Artificial Consciousness AGI conference? Because the conference needs to evolve. It can't just be a star-studded event inviting famous individuals. To become a truly influential global meeting, it needs an institutional radar. This list helps us move from just star power to network power. We propose dividing the top 100 into 4 operational pools. Pool 1, Strategic Invites, the absolute top 20, ideal for plenary talks and steering committees. Pool 2, Academic Program, the next 30, great for program committees, reviewers, young mentors. Pool 3, Industry and Engineering, the following 25, perfect for technical support, model evaluation, and the DIWP Cup. And Pool 4, Governance and Civilization, the final 25, essential for white papers, discussions on AI welfare, and international rules. The goal isn't just a one-off conference. It's about building a lasting global network around artificial consciousness. So, what's the big takeaway? Artificial consciousness isn't some distant philosophical puzzle anymore. It's front and center in the AGI debate, touching everything from model safety and ethics to the very hardware we build. For China, the opportunity isn't just copying Western models, it's about weaving local context with frameworks like DKWP to define its own unique path. This top 100 list is your starting point, your research radar. The real win isn't the length of the list, but converting maybe 10 of these institutions into actual collaborations, talks, white papers, and joint projects. That's the game changer.